all assumed romance, but the Light Fury's behavior looks a lot more like a mission. Think about it. Grimmel claims he caught the Light Fury, yet she can turn invisible and is one of the fastest dragons alive. If she wanted to escape, she easily could have. Instead, she lets herself be captured and led straight to Toothless. And when Toothless reaches the hidden world, every dragon bows instantly, like they were waiting for their true alpha to arrive. Valka even said
Every nest has its queen.
the Light Fury wasn't falling in love, she was luring the last Night Fury home because they needed an alpha. That emotional goodbye? It wasn't romantic, it was the dragons finally reclaiming Toothless. Do you think the Light Fury actually loved him, or was it all a mission? Tell me your theory.